like you. Be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one. Only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Ruffjourneys. If you're new here, I'm Mario and I live full-time in this self-converted 24-foot box truck conversion. We've been on the road now for a little over a year, and today I'm going to take you through what a typical day looks like when we're parked just living off grid and we're right by the water. This lifestyle isn't just about the beautiful views. There's challenges when it comes to living off-grid full-time. And today, I'll walk you through how we handle things like power management, staying cool in the Florida heat, and dealing with the realities of staying stationary and being off-grid. One of the biggest things about off-grid life is managing your power. And right now we're in the afternoon and Florida is just giving us sun for our solar power. My system is running right now close to 100%, but however, we're losing power. Not quite sure what our issue is right now. I have to get to the bottom of that, but we're close to 100%. We've had our generator running for a little bit because our solar power and our batteries not quite there yet, but we still have quite a bit of power. If you can see here, we're at 399 amps on a 400 amp hour system. We're at 100%. We're only going down probably around 0.5 amps. I don't really care for this system. And let's go to our battery monitor. See our percentage. It's saying we're at 96% state of charge here. This is all about managing the system and just seeing where you're at, being able to keep tabs on how much power you have coming in and how much power is going out. Being parked near the water, there is a nice breeze, but let's just be honest, this Florida heat is no joke. One of the key things I do to stay cool is usually try to park the box truck in a shaded area, or at least get us in an angle to where we get a nice draft going. So right now we've got the fan in the bathroom going, we've got the fan here in the kitchen going, and that gets the air flowing. And that's going to keep us cool to where we don't have to turn on the mini split AC. Living off grid means being mindful of water storage and refrigeration. My refrigerator runs entirely off our solar panels and battery storage system. And I keep plenty of water on hand for hot climates like we're in today. We also have a 3-stage water filtration system for our drinking water, which we can drink out of our faucet. I choose to drink bottled water on the regular. Well, we have to put up our shore power cord. We did run the generator earlier. Part of full-time off-grid living is being on top of your maintenance. So when I'm parked, I like to check everything, my tire pressure, make sure everything is strapped down perfectly so we don't have any issues on the road. And being parked right now, this is the best time to go through everything so we don't have to go through it when we're on the road. Pretty good. That's pretty good. And that's strapped well. Everything's pretty tight here. We're going to go and check out the other side. I always check my tires, my power system, and the water, just making sure everything's correct, everything's working properly. We just don't want any issues while we're on the road. And I have to make sure everything is strapped down perfectly. There's a lot of bugs out here. I built these racks, and I just like to make sure everything is usually locked down perfect before we get on the road. We'll get up here on the roof and make sure everything is working properly and efficient. Well, panels look good. I guess we don't have to worry about cleaning them today. Let me show you guys what we're looking at. Here's a look at our 3 100-watt panels. We do have another 100-watt Renogy panel over here, and over there we have a 200-watt Renogy panel as well. These are all flat panels, these are all flexible panels, so they're all glued to the roof. We're just gonna leave these things alone today without cleaning them, and I think they are pretty good. So checking all the wiring. I like to look through the wiring, make sure everything's fine and everything is good up here. So we're going to go ahead and head on down. The screen sometimes, well, not sometimes, the screen, it seems to always fall apart. This is our second one, and It's like it's losing its hairs. I don't know. It's really weird. But small things I'm always doing throughout the day. You're always making sure that you're taking care of some things around the house.
Yeah.
I'm also always doing small tasks throughout the day, sweeping and trying to make sure everything is clean, because a few little things out of place will just make everything seem cluttered. When a few things are out of place, it just makes things seem cluttered very, very fast. So everything has to have its own place when you live in a small space. So, I do have to get things prepared for dinner. I don't know what we're having for dinner tonight. There's another boat going by. I guess I'm just gonna figure it out as I go. I'll probably make burgers, but I don't like making finger foods, burgers that you eat with your hands and then something else that you have to eat with a fork or spoon. So I'm gonna figure this out, but more than likely I'm about to make these potatoes, because I do need to start getting rid of the potatoes before they go bad. I don't like wasting food and food going bad with all the hungry people around the world. That's all I need to do is just waste some food. So I try my best to not waste any food and try to use it all so we get our money's worth as well. One thing I'll do right fast that I like to do is I like to wash my hands before I start cooking. Before I lived off grid, I did not conserve on water at all. I was just I would turn the water on and just leave it running when I wash dishes or when I was cooking something. I would always leave it running. Now I conserve a little more, well, a lot more. Even when I go back to my mom's house and stay for a couple days, I find myself turning off the water when I wash dishes. Never used to do that before, but I do it now. So out here earlier, I seen a couple dolphins jumping around. Really awesome, because where I'm from, right near Chicago, I'm on the Indiana side, we have no dolphins. The only thing we probably got is catfish, pike, and perch or whatever else. I don't know. Bass. Yeah. Asian carp we have. Yeah. I mean, you're not eating that stuff. I bet you're not eating dolphins either. At least I'm not. I'm sure there are people that are eating dolphins. I don't know. Do you guys got anything that you would make with only baked beans, potatoes, onions, and ground beef? I don't even have, well, I do have hamburger buns. I just don't remember when we bought those things, but as long as it ain't green, I'll probably eat it. If you guys have watched this long and you're still here, please like and subscribe. We are trying to get to 10,000 subscribers, and right now we're sitting around 6,600 subscribers. And for all of my new subscribers to the channel, welcome to the channel, guys. Thank you for subscribing. It's been a long journey, but we've made it here so far, and thank you guys for subscribing. It is greatly appreciated. And if you guys comment, I will comment back and tell you thank you personally. I appreciate all you guys. I really do. I appreciate everyone that likes and subscribes. I appreciate you guys that leave, the guys that send the money on the Cash Apps. I appreciate all you guys. It is greatly appreciated. It helps us move around and fuel our next journeys. I'm determined as well to put out more content for you guys, because as our channel grows, I do want to grow and show you guys more of how we live. And I swore I felt a water drop somewhere, but I'm determined to show you guys how we live and bring you guys on the journey with us. You guys that have been here from the beginning, and all of the new subscribers, I really appreciate everything. Oh, I am feeling water drops because it's raining. So I knew I was feeling something. But hopefully it just goes right over. I'll throw that away in a little bit. So we're going to do that. I've never had these baked beans before, but We're gonna try them today. There's some saucy spoon, baked beans, spicy, roasted chipotle, a million different words on these on these baked beans, but we're gonna go ahead and cook these anyway. So girlfriend's gone, and when she comes back, she has no idea what I'm cooking, neither do I. So I guess that's the good thing. All right. We got our ground beef here. Hopefully we can get 2 patties out of it and use the rest for our baked beans. And I'm gonna try to look at this bread again, our buns, because I was hoping there was a date on the package, and I still haven't seen a date on the package. And I don't remember when we bought these things. I just don't. But, well, doesn't matter anyway. I've eaten some pretty old bread. Alright, I gotta go out here, guys. There's another box truck that just pulled up. Let's do a little walk around here. That's it. Huh? Nah, I'm about to go over here and check this guy out. He's got I don't know what he's got. I need to see that.
Okay.
Yeah. Man, hey, I need to. Man, I gotta see it. You know.
That's amazing.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm inspired. I'm proud of you, fam.
Man, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it, man.
God willing,
Man, definitely, man. I appreciate it, man. Hey, make sure you watch, man. Make sure you watch.
I'm definitely gonna check you out.
Check out the channel, man. Check out the channel.
I got you.
Yeah, make sure you comment too, man.
Hey, look.
Yeah, make sure you comment. I'm gonna comment back.
I bet.
All right.
I got you, man.
Yeah, definitely.
Look, man. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to talk to this guy real quick. All right. So, see this guy here. He's got this guy here. I want to talk to him real quick. Hopefully, he's not too busy. He's got geez, man.
Do you have the other box truck?
Yeah, I got that box truck over there.
See it when he gets off the phone.
Yeah, I want to see your guys's
It's
too.
a huge mess in here.
Oh, ours is. That's the thing about being on the road. Are you guys full time?
Yeah.
That's the thing about being full time on the road. You're gonna have a mess, and if you don't have a mess, you're not living in there. That's the thing, you know. And everybody's, you know, when I have my videos, and people are watching my videos, and they look and they're like, "Oh man, well it's a mess inside." Well, we live here. This is our house, you know. I mean, what do you expect, you know? So.
I used to drive beer trucks and a lot of these big box trucks too.
Yeah.
And I've thought a lot about getting a big damn truck. Like
No
one
kidding.
truck, yeah. You can turn that son of a bitch into an apartment.
That was my thinking, because I used to work for Pepsi,
Yeah.
and I was always thinking that.
Man, me too.
Yeah, I was always thinking
Before
that.
I ever seen anything on
I always thought
I
it.
was at work one day cleaning up pallets and stuff.
Yeah.
And I'm like,
But it's
Oh,
a
man.
mess. We got stuck in traffic for like an hour and a half.
Jeez, this is smart as hell.
build a metal plate to go
Wow.
right there on that bottom step.
That is
So you don't
smart
have
for
to
your shower.
Come up like, yeah, it just goes down the weep holes. So.
Wow.
We hadn't been using it that much since we've been down here. We go to Planet Fitness.
That's what I got a Planet Fitness membership.
It's hot in here. It
Oh,
was
yeah, they're
hot.
always
Shut
hot.
up. I
Wow.
was making coffee too.
Jeez, this is
It
freaking
used-
nice as hell.
It used to look Instagram beautiful.
It did. Show them
I used to
pictures.
have
Yeah.
countertop and a sink, and to come around here.
It wasn't
we had a
functional
love-
though, was
love
it?
seat
Well, you
here.
couldn't get no
But it-
airflow. Like
Well,
when
and when
I
somebody
was
Yeah.
would set the love seat come way up.
All right, so we just looked at their van, and it was pretty cool. Excuse me, guys. All right, so it was pretty cool. We got to check theirs out. As the sun starts to go down, I usually take this time to work on videos, check in with viewers, and really plan our next stops and see where we're gonna stop at next. One of the best things I love about this lifestyle is the ability to work anywhere. As long as we have power and an internet connection, we can work from anywhere. And this is just beautiful. Watching the sun go down, working on the laptop, trying to get some things done here. But the best part is the peace and quiet. And right now, I do hear a little music, but for the most part, you just hear the waves going. It's beautiful. Living off grid might not be for everyone, but for me, it's definitely the freedom that this lifestyle provides me. There's nothing like ending the day knowing that I built this home and it runs completely on my own power. And the fact that I could wake up tomorrow and do it all over again, it's game changing. I love this life. Looks like it's about to rain. So I got to get this dinner finished. If you guys stuck around this long, please like and subscribe, and we're going to have more content for you guys. So that's a look at a day in my off-grid life, parked here in Florida, right on the beach. So if you're thinking about living off-grid or you just love this lifestyle, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Drop a comment below if you got any questions or if it's something specific you want to see on the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.